Hello everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today we are making one pot Italian sausage and rice. Let's dive into it. For this recipe we are going to use Italian ground mild sausage. So guys, let's get started. First things first, heat some olive oil in a pot. As soon as the oil starts sizzling, place the sausage and cut with the spatula into bite-sized pieces. Fry the sausage for about 4 minutes until it's browned. Brown the sausage, but not all the way through. Now it's time to add onions, bell peppers. Saute for a minute or two. Now add in garlic. Then season with salt and black pepper to taste. We are also adding in paprika and red pepper flakes. Then saute for 2 minutes. Here in the bowl, I have about 2 cups of rice. It's been soaking for almost 30 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and drain out the water. Then I'm gonna give it the last rinse and drain it. Now we are going to add uncooked rice along with chicken broth to the sausage mixture. We're gonna cover and reduce heat to low to cook for 20 minutes until rice is tender and all the liquids has been absorbed. It's been 20 minutes, guys. Fluff the rice with a fork. Taste, add some more salt if necessary. Then we're gonna turn off the heat. Add the green onions and stir to combine. Serve immediately and enjoy. There you have it, one pot Italian sausage and rice. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.